Hello fish lovers, this is an unplanned video. We wanted to do something today, didn't really have a plan, so we've gone in, seen what we've got in the fish room, and it's these half-shell scallops. So we are going to use some ingredients that I've just mustered together from around the kitchen and the building, and we're going to cook scallops in 3 different ways using the same ingredients and see which method that we prefer. So we've got 6 half-shell scallops from Brixham here, sort of small, medium size. Salt, pepper, got some lime because I didn't have any lemon, got a couple of chunks of butter, got some thyme, and got a little splash of white wine which we'll use just for the pan fry method. Ready to go. So for the first cooking method, we're going to use our big grill, which is essentially the same as a barbecue. So, let's see what the grilled ones are like. Well, the butter does help. But no, very nice. And actually they're quite moist still, I think, cooking in all that juice and butter. Right, definitely good. So, cooking method 2, we got a little bit of wine knocking around in the fridge. So, going to chuck that in a pan, put the scallops in, put a lid on it, steam it, poach it, see how it turns out. So should be a little less aggressive than step 1, which was the grill. See how it works out. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? So on these ones, a lot more buttery, a lot more liquidy. They're a bit more poached and don't have any of that char grill that the last one came with. So let's give the butter wine poached scallop a try. So definitely a softer texture this time. Don't know if I prefer it to the grilled, but yeah, nice. And yeah, mixing that wine and butter together, always a winner. So, method number 3, we are just going to grill these just in your home grill. Chuck them under a couple of minutes and see how they turn out. Okay, so that didn't take long. Ready to go. Tray is very hot now. They're bubbling away nicely. Alright, so for these ones I'm going to give them a little bit of basting of butter over the top, which will make them nice and tasty. Lovely, very nice. I actually think these ones are my favourite. I think they've got a little bit of the more aggressive heat, which kind of gives it that top texture, which is really nice. And then obviously just basting that on top. I think the texture does help, but inside they're really, really soft still. So yeah, no, yeah, grill in the oven for me, but actually they were all really good, and I could see myself getting through 6 of those if they're coming straight off the barbecue as well. Nice. So I think that went pretty well for an unplanned video. It was fun to cook them in 3 different ways. I got through all of them, which is a little bit piggy, but hey ho. And yeah, definitely by no means a trained chef. So I'm just a home cook just like you are. So I think these are really, really easy to cook. So buy 6 and give them a go yourself.